Okay, so today I'm going to be setting up my Rock and Roll Smart Control trainer by Kinetic. So it's pretty simple to set up. I'm going to start by taking these green legs and attaching them through the holes here. And then just tightening up the bolts. After that, I'm going to take this bolt system here and the flywheel, it's pretty heavy, and seat it into the back of the trainer here. Once this is in here, we'll grab this knob, spring, and little curved metal bit. The curved metal bit and the spring will go into the front, whereas the knob and the washer will go into the back. This little curved bit slides onto the screw like that. Put the screw, or the spring onto the screw, and then it goes into this little hole here. Once that's in, we're ready to put the bike into the stand. Kinetic does supply us with a nice through axle that fits pretty well into the trainer there, as you can see. Alright, once you've changed out your through axle, it's time to grab your bike. And they recommend to have it as centered against the back of the flywheel as possible. So I've got it centered on one side already, and then I'll just kind of hoist the bike up a little bit, slot it into that stop spot. These are movable, so you can actually get it right in the right spot. Alright, once that's nice and tight and looks like it's about in the middle, you adjust the resistance on it so you can't slide the tire up and down. Now I just have a regular road tire on my bike still. I live in a pretty small town and it's hard to find any bike gear in the winter. So I just have a regular road tire. I'm gonna pick up a training tire in a week or so, and I would recommend it. So now that my resistance is set and my bike is on the trainer, I am going to connect it into the wall, plug it in, and before you can use it, you need to hook it up to the Kinetic app. So if you can see on my phone, it's going to see Smart Control, I put Connect. When I go to settings, it'll say update firmware, so before you use it initially, you have to update the firmware. Mine's already updated, so I won't do it. And then from there we can connect to Zwift and get training.